this survivor's guilt. Like, we're not there in Gaza, and we feel through vicarious suffering what they're going through. There's a vicarious suffering that we're all experiencing, and we feel that. And it's making us guilty about living our lives in any way that's not a full-time activism, for example. This, again, is a sign of a healthy heart. If you feel like you can completely live your life as usual with no qualifiers while a genocide is happening, your conscience has been severely impaired and broken, and that should be a signal that something is wrong with your heart and you need to fix it. That being said, is there a space for self-care in a time like this? Well, according to my understanding of the faith, absolutely. What does that look like? Because what we have seen on social media by some, I don't know if it's a majority, I don't know, I don't keep tabs on people. I don't have time to keep tabs on this popular figure and that popular figure. I really don't, right? And may Allah forgive me, I just don't have time for that. But you hear that some have used self-care as a tool to deflect their own hearts away from looking at the horrid realities and really facing it. Now, deflecting from the challenges of life, generally speaking, is not a tool for healing or balance or psychological health in any way possible. Now, you can say, I'm going to just pause for a second. I can't say anything right now. I'm still trying to process. I'm going to come back to you in a week. I'm going to come back to you in a few days. That's fine. That's a form of, suppressing that can be necessary at times. But to live your life just saying, oh, snap, there's a conflict. I'm just going to not think about it. I'm just going to not look. I'm not going to face it. And I'm just going to live my life that way. No one trained in psychology, no one who's lived life a little bit would tell you that that will lead to any form of balance and health holistically in you. Okay? You have to face those challenges.